I'm going to show you how to make a pair of woven silver earrings out of an old delivery bag. Here's what you'll need to make them. You'll need an old delivery bag. This is a foil-lined paper bag cut into strips. You'll need some silver earring posts, a pair of scissors, a craft knife and a ruler, and a very sharp pin. Start by cutting the bag into strips. Each of these strips is 2 centimetres wide and about 26 centimetres long. And you will need 2 strips for each earring, so 4 strips for a pair of earrings. Fold each strip in half lengthways, paper side in, silver side on the outside. Crease it and then open it out again, and fold both of the edges in towards that centre fold line, all the way down. And then refold that along your original crease so all the edges are together. Flatten it out and make use of a Sharpie lid if necessary to get it extra flat. Take your pin and make a hole in each strip halfway down. Then push the earring post through the holes of 2 of the strips and position them into the shape of a cross. Turn the cross so that the earring post is pointing downwards. Make sure the strip you're going to start with is facing you and it's the bottommost strip. And then you're going to bend it up towards the left of the strip opposite. Don't fold it over completely flat, leave a bit of a loop, you'll need that later. Then fold the next strip over the same way, working clockwise. On the last strip, which is the 4th arm, tuck that end under the loop you left on the 1st arm and pull it all together nice and tight. Then, with the post pointing down again, and starting with any strip this time, fold the one in front of you up and to the left hand side of the opposite strip, again leaving a little loop. Fold over the next strip in the same way to the left, and the next one. And the last arm tucks through that loop again. And then pull everything nice and tight. And that's the finished knot. Flip it over so the post is facing upwards and snip off the arms as close to the knot as you can get. And I like to neaten up any of the little pointy bits that are left behind too. And then give it a little bit of a squish with your fingers to make the knot nice and round. And that is a finished earring. Repeat for as many earrings as you'd like. They don't even need any glue to hold them together. I hope you enjoy making these and wearing these as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and please take a look at my other videos of crafty making things.